color is like very dark. Look at this, you guys. Wow, weird looking. He's a little one. Much love to you, buddy. It's amazing how these guys don't fear nothing. Let's get them back in the water, you guys. Thank you. All right, you guys. Let's get his butt back in the water. Nice one too. Look at it. Kind of healthy. So it's good to see that they're feeding and they ain't skinny. So let's get them back in the water, guys. Have a good one, buddy. Don't wet me up. I gotta wear these clothes to church. Okay. Hey, y'all.
I might get another set of fires here.
Matt just got on the first one actually since he been here, and he using the Hamar. You need some more pliers? I got some. I got them tongs.
Surgery is complete.
All right. He got the first one, y'all. He got his hand slapping his own know what. Let's get let's get him back.
Way to go, man.
Not here.
He had one coming up right behind him.
He foul hooked it, but he got him.
I think it was in his mouth. It just
Yeah.
Mouth, man.
Yeah. That's the wrong mouth.
his mouth was first. He threw it out of his mouth, but that back just kept it.
Hey Patrick, he tried to hide it. It's a pretty bait, man. Yes, sir. I can't see nothing. I can't see nothing. That's a pretty bait, man. All right, you guys. Got about my 4th bass, 1 chain pickerel, and that's how it is. Let's get them back in the water. Yeah.
What, on the other pond?
Mm-hmm.
I'll probably head on back up to the truck. Because I don't want to get too far away and then get the wife mad at me, you know?
I understand. I understand.
Anyways.
Appreciate it, man.
Yeah,
appreciate the fellowship. All right, man. We're gonna try to.
If I pay first, I ain't going too far.
You okay? What do you think, Patrick? Oh boy, a lot of structure over here. Oh man, all kind of bait fish over here. Whoa. All right, Patrick.
Fishing here.
Yeah. Oh, yeah. That's a sure sign right there, buddy. Yeah, he had to skip it through the water. I'm like, okay, he bit it right at the bank. He followed it. All right, you guys, got the actual first one on the chatterbait with the fluke split tail on it. Let's get this guy back in the water. But it is definitely life back here, you guys. That's always a good thing. Let's get him back in the water.